how to see sent requests on Instagram. So if this video helped you, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads here. So as you can see, we are here on our Instagram, but what we would do is go out of the Instagram app and go to your browser and log in on Instagram. So as you can see, I have already logged in on Instagram here in my browser. You can use any browser depending on your phone. So go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, go to that settings icon on the top left. Under that, scroll down for a bit and go to your activity. In your activity, you can download your information, what activity you have done, and this includes the sent request from your Instagram account. So just request by putting in your password. So I'll be putting in my password. Just click in the or tap on the request download and download is requested already. So this will take for some time for it to arrive, and once arrived you can directly download it and view it. So thank you for watching.